Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwean prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa has addressed a public discussion around his Harare mansion, expressing frustration over the attention it receives on social media. Speaking during a recent church service, the founder of United Family International Church UFIC said he was tired of people constantly debating the value of his home online. He downplayed the property's worth, describing it as simple, a heap of mud taken from the ground.
You talk about my house, no subject on social media. House. That's what you can see. House. What's that? What is a house?
It's a molehill. It's simply earth that was dug out from the ground.
The comments come after images of the modern multi-million-dollar residence circulated widely on social media platforms. The house, with its distinctive curved design and extensive glasswork, has been a frequent topic of debate among Zimbabweans discussing wealth, faith, and accountability among religious leaders. Makandiwa did not elaborate further during the service, but urged the congregates to focus on spiritual matters rather than material possessions. The video of his address has since been shared online, reigniting a conversation around the lifestyle of prominent church leaders in Zimbabwe. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.